There are not many individuals in the crypto local area who have not heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto to some degree in passing. The renowned mysterious maker of Bitcoin and the world's greatest digital currency have intrigued many individuals and enlivened a ton of unmistakable cryptographic money defenders. The SV in Bitcoin SV's name means Satoshi's vision and addresses BSV's objective to turn into the digital currency Nakamoto generally imagined. The reality of the situation will come out at some point whether it can at any point accomplish such aggressive objectives. Yet in the event that it does, it has every one of the opportunities to turn into the following number one digital currency. Nonetheless, while making a Bitcoin SV cost figure, we ought to take a gander at its major worth right now and assess its possibilities without depending on the plausibility that BSV will turn into the best and most innovatively progressed digital money one day. Here are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for the next few years. As usual, kindly recollect that the items in this article don't comprise monetary counsel. The digital money market is exceptionally unpredictable. In this manner, all Bitcoin SV value expectations ought to be accepted with some hesitance. Make sure to do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any advanced resources. Bitcoin SV's motivation is to turn into a more innovatively progressed cryptographic money than the first Bitcoin, meanwhile staying consistent with the first thought behind the digital currency. It is a hard fork of Bitcoin money, which was forked itself from Bitcoin back in 2017, being enthusiasts of the first Bitcoin convention. BSV makers in the local area all dislike the progressions made to the BTC blockchain, similar to the execution of SegWit or the Lightning organization. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin SV costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin SV will be $59.66. The greatest level that the BSV cost can reach is $71.01. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $61.81. Possible return for capital invested, 65.4% by BSV value estimate for January 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $45.11 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $40.81 and at $46.40. Separately, expected return for capital invested, 8.1% by February 2023. Bitcoin SV value figure digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the BSV cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $44.77, while the most extreme could reach $48.20 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $46.91. Expected return on initial capital investment, 12.3% by BSV value estimate for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Bitcoin SV in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal BSV rate they anticipate may be around $48.32 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $46.60 as a base. The greatest worth may be $50.07. Possible return for money invested, 16.7% by April 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate around mid-year 2022. The BSV cost will be exchanged at $49.29 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin SV worth to $52. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $47.14 in April 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 21.2% by BSV value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitcoin SV costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $50.76. The most minimal and top BSV rates may be $49.05 and $54.47. Possible return on initial capital investment, 26.9% by June 2023. Bitcoin SV value gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the BSV cost will be around $52.28. In June 2023, the Bitcoin SV cost might drop to at least $50.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $57 in June 2023. Likely return for money invested, 32.8% by BSV value figure for July 2023. Having broke down Bitcoin SV costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BSV rate could arrive at a limit of $59.62 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $52.22 for July 2023. The anticipated normal of Bitcoin SV is almost $54.37. Likely return on initial capital investment, 38.9% by August 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate around mid-2022. The Bitcoin SV cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $55.46. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the BSV cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $53.31 and $61.79. Likely return for capital invested, 44% by BSV value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Bitcoin SV worth won't dip under at least $55.40. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $64.01. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $57.12. Likely return for capital invested, 49.1% by October 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate. Digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of BSV costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Bitcoin SV will be around $66.30, with a chance of dropping to at least $56.12. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $58.26. Likely return for money invested, 54.5% by BSV value conjecture for November 2023 in view of the value changes of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $59.43 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $57.71 and at $68.63 individually. Likely return for capital invested, 59.9% by December 2023. Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the BSV cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $59.66, while the most extreme could reach $71.01 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $61.81. Likely return for money invested, 65.4% by Bitcoin SV value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin SV in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitcoin SV will be around $89.37. The most extreme expected BSV cost might be around $106.95. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $92.46 in 2024. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin SV in 2025, BSV is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $132.36 and $155.47. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $136.98. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Bitcoin SV and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base BSV cost could drop to $190.25, while its most extreme can reach $200.